we just want to avoid colliding with them. That's the first reason. The second reason is to just simplify the understanding of how to make a variable, right? So simply put, use numbers in letters without the leading number. As long as you follow that rule, you're not going to get into trouble ever. Is that a fair? Cool. Yes, sir?
If you add another string, is your constant again working for that string? Like if you continue.
That's a good question. My guess is no, but let's try it. Because honestly, I've never tried to do that, so let's try it. So let's get rid of this. Bless you. Let's create another script. Okay, my strong guess is no. That's my hypothesis. Let's see if I'm right. First name is Jack. Alert person. Yeah. See? No alert. But if I get rid of it here, boom. Okay. By the way, in case you're wondering, it's because they're both in the global scope. They're both attached to the window scope. And if you're trying to create another constant in the same scope, it's a collision. You can't do that. For those of you who did not understand that, don't worry. Not your business. We'll talk about it later. Okay, other questions, but don't ask hard questions. I mean, come to office hours for that. Ask questions relating to this specifically. Yes, sir?
Script is like the end-to-end in C++, right?
You mean the main function?
Yeah.
Actually, you can think of it that way. The first line of script is like the first line of your main function. Okay? So, unlike in C++ or Java, which have the main function, right, which sits somewhere and that's what starts. In JavaScript, the first line of code is where it starts. It literally just goes up from top down. Okay? Much simpler. Yes, other questions? Good? Okay. Moment. Math operators, we've done. Okay. Should we get into comparisons? Yeah, why not? Okay. So, how much time do we have? We have time to learn one more thing?
Yes.
Do we want to learn one more thing?
Yes.
Yes! All right, good. I love you guys. Okay, good. So, we have what's known as comparison operators. So we talked about the mathematical operators, right? The operators that allow us to do addition, subtraction, etc. We talked about the concatenation operator, which again is the same as the plus operator, right? Which sticks things together. There are comparison operators. So, let's create a constant called, I don't know, A, and let's put a value in it like 5. Create another one, const B, put a value in it, 9. Now let's do const C, and let's put this. Is 5 the same, is A the same as B? Now you might wonder, what the crap is this? Let me tell you. This is a comparison operator. It compares A and B, and specifically it's trying to see if they're the same. Are they equal? Are they equal? No. So the result of that should be like a false. Yeah. So turns out there's one more value that we haven't talked about yet. It's called a Boolean value. So we talked about numbers. We talked about strings. There's another value called Boolean. Boolean can have one of two values in it. True or false. Okay? So the result of this operator is a Boolean result. And it will return true or false. What is this going to return in your opinion? False. So let's alert C. Make sure we're right. Yes, it's false. Good. We can also see if A is not equal to B. Not. So remember this exclamation point. This. Okay? It's in almost every language, it's a negation operator. Okay? It's a not operator. So whenever you see it means not. So, if the triple equals was trying to see are they equal, nice, thank you. If this triple equal is trying to see are they equal, the not is testing for what? Not equal. Very good. So what do you suppose the value of C is now? True. Nice. Very cool. Okay, so we can compare if they're equal, if they're not equal. What other comparison types are you familiar with from mathematics? Less than, greater than or equal to. We have this. Alert C. Cool. We can do it the other way. If you want to do or equal to, you put the equal on the right. Okay? Not on the left. So you do this, or you do that. Got it? Hang on, let me just double check I've gone through all of them. Yes, I have. We did this one, we did this one, we did that. Good. Okay, so we know how to do comparisons, and we understand that when we do make these comparisons, the result is a new value, this new value type that we've understood, called a Boolean, which has one of two values, a true or a false. Yeah? Cool.
So when in case of equals or doesn't equal, you put 3, like...
3, yeah. Because here's the thing. What does 1 equal mean? Do you remember? Exactly, it's an assignment operator, right? Like when you were born, your mom said, you are now, whatever your name, I'm sorry, your name? Arpita. Okay, so you are now Arpita. That was an assignment. That's 1 equal, right? 3 equals is a comparison. Some of you might be now thinking, what happened to 2? It exists. Don't use it. It exists, because, but it does some tricks, and those tricks can lead to bugs. And the JavaScript community now basically unanimously agrees it's a bad idea to use double equals. So forget that. Just use the triple equals version. In other languages, like Java and C++, it's double equals. Okay? So it's just a minor syntactical difference. But again, please, I ask you, please, in JavaScript, use triple equals or not equal. Okay? Agreed? Good. Other questions or concerns? We're good. Okay. What time is it? Oh, we have 4 minutes left. Yeah, there's no point in continuing because I'm not going to start a new concept in the time that we have. I think this is a perfect time to take a photo. What do you think? John, all right, good. Let's do this.